So here's something else, and I gotta go right here. They run and fight with confidence and without distraction. Verse 26, so I run with purpose in every step I go, and I'm not just shadow boxing. Verse 26, God, I got 2 minutes. So I run with purpose in every step, and I'm not just shadow boxing. Watch this, look at me, everybody. I come and tell somebody, stop shadow boxing.
Yeah, that's right.
Paul said, I run with purpose in every step. Listen, I don't have long on this earth, and I got a family to lead. I got a family to support. I don't got time to be playing games. I don't got time to be playing games. I got some daughters. I got a son. Every step I make counts. And every little step I make. Oh, boy, y'all better quit playing. This is church. Amen. Who did that? Who did that? Bobby Jones? Not Bobby Jones. Did I say Bobby Jones? Yeah, Bobby Jones be buzzing dead anyway. Let's get back to church. Goodness gracious. Anyway, I don't have time to be having no wasted steps. I have to plan. I have a plan. See, I'm already in 2015 and what series I'm going to be doing on what we're trying to do. I'm already trying to build teams and stuff like that. I want to build teams on what we're going to do for this year and everything like that. What outreaches and stuff like that. Man, I want to go to the laundromat and do a thing called This Lowe's on Us. I want to pay for people's laundry and stuff like that. I want to do a free gas giveaway, man. That's my goal. That's what I want to do, man. I want to do stuff that's in here. I want to do in-reach like every month. Give people gas and stuff. I got people calling me saying, Pastor, we don't got no gas to get over there and everything like that. Man, we were paying people gas to get over here and stuff like that. We just can't do it. There's so much that I just want to do that we can't do. This is the only shirts that I can afford for right now. But baby, we're going to get some more. We're going to keep going. We're going to get where we want to get to. You just trust and believe and have faith. We're going to do it, baby. But I don't have time for that. I gotta finish my degree. I'm trying to figure out how much money we want to have in the account and stuff like that and everything like that. You got to get it like that. How much debt that we try to kill and everything like that. What time you want to wake up in the morning. You don't got time to be playing. You got to get an attitude like that. You got to be telling people, hey, don't got time to be playing. Don't be tweeting me. Don't be Facebooking me. Don't be calling me. I'm about my business in the moment. At a certain time, Paul said, I love this. I love this right here. And every brother right here can feel me on this. Paul said, I don't even be shadow boxing. Oh man, Paul be like, God, I want to be shadow boxing. Ooh, Paul said, oh God, I want to be shadow boxing right here. And believe it or not, some of you in your life, you've been shadow boxing. Ooh, shadow boxing. Brothers always in the hood, shadow boxing. Till somebody get hit in the mouth, they want to real fight. They like, well, somebody step on their new shoes. They went bam, bam, and also like that, you know, and you're pretty with it too, You ever seen somebody be shadow boxing out there? They be doing ollie shuffle and everything. They be ollie shuffle, and then they be looking at you like, oh, that boy pretty over there. That boy pretty. Oh, look at that boy quick. That boy got some quick hands. And he be nice to him. He be nice with it too. And that's they know, but here he only got one problem. He ain't hitting nobody. Yeah, he nice. He ain't hitting nobody. Yeah, he nice. All them jokers that be going against Mayweather, nice in practice. Nice when they be shadow boxing until the live fight comes and Mayweather hit them hands and dang. The brother's out. Because he ain't hitting nothing. Can I tell y'all something and everything like that? When you gonna start hitting something? I gotta go though. When you gonna start hitting something? 2 years went by, you've been saying I'm gonna do this, but 2 years went by. I'm gonna do this, and you said I finished this and everything like that, but you ain't hitting nothing. Check out the check. You ain't hitting nothing. You're just barely surviving. You're not close to God like you've been saying. I'm gonna read my Bible this. I'm gonna pray at this time. I'm gonna do this. All right, I'm not gonna watch Scandal at this time no more. I'm gonna do this and everything like that. Bam! Scandal took over your time. Boom! You ain't ready to do nothing. All that stuff like that. You're still not closer to your financial goal. Your life has to be about hitting something. You have to make up in your mind that you're not gonna have a life that's just a talk game. But don't hit nothing. You just can't be a game talker. You gotta hit something.